everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Did you know that we have different options for what happens to your shopping list items when you cross them off? So when you add items to your meal planner within Plan to Eat, you can then set your shopping list to a date range that corresponds with your meal planner, and the program automatically creates a shopping list for you. We designed the app so that you could easily take your shopping list with you anywhere you go because it's already on your phone. So when you first get started and you have a shopping list, you will see that when you tap off items, they will get a strike through, a line that strikes through them to cross them off of your list. Now, this might not be your ideal situation for having your items crossed off your list. So if you click on the upper 3-dot menu in your shopping list, you will see that there are some different options for when you cross your items off your shopping list. We have the option to completely remove these items from your shopping list after you cross them off. So then when you tap off the items on your shopping list, they are just simply disappearing and not cluttering up your list the same way that having them crossed off your list does. But we also have the option for consolidating your purchased items. So this still crosses off your shopping list items as you cross them off. However, it moves everything to the bottom of your list that is crossed off. So that way, the list that you're working from is not being cluttered by these crossed off things, but they're all being moved to the bottom. So if you want to double check any of the items before you finish your shopping trip, they are there so that you can review them. If you have any questions about consolidating your shopping list or other options for crossing off your items, email us at help@plantoeat.com. There's also a link in the description to the help article describing this feature as well. See you next time.